Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a wig by Gabor called Gala, and the color on Gala here is G30 Plus, which is also called Paprika Mist. As you can see, this color is a very pretty, medium, natural auburn color. So I want to show you what this looks like now that I'm in this really nice natural light. It is a really natural looking medium auburn, which is pretty awesome. It is pulling very true to life in this image. Now Gala is a short cut with long sideburns here. Now these are not built into the ear tab, because I know that some of my male clients who are looking at female wigs as their personal wigs, they like it when the sideburns are built into the ear tabs. Not so much on this one, but it does have the longer hair here that does make it easier to conceal your bio hair. It is tapered in the back and heavily stacked and layered, and then the top portion here is also super duper heavily layered, except the layers are quite a bit longer. Now because this wig has not been washed or styled, it's a little stiff. I'm assuming that once you wash this, that will kind of soften up a little bit and it'll be easier for you to style it or train it however you like. So let's talk some specs, shall we? Since I've messed up this wig pretty badly by just trying to fluff it up. It only weighs 2 ounces. It's super duper light. So that way after you get this one and it kind of stretches to accommodate your head a little bit, because these caps can be quite stretchy. You just have to wear them for a little while. This one, by the way, has a completely open cap, which I'll show you in a little bit. I think that this one can be quite comfortable on, but I do think that if you're like me and you have a large head, this fits relatively true to size. So even though it's lightweight and it can seal, you know, your side hair really well and all these other really wonderful attributes, it may not be the best fit for somebody who is burgeoning on a large head size. The front is 4.5 inches, so it might need to be trimmed in order to accommodate your face the way you like, though it could be swept off to the side and then you wouldn't have to alter it at all. The crown down is 5 inches. As you can see there, it's kind of stiff. The sides are 3.75, heavily layered, and that's why it appears a little shorter here than it is here, because it is, and that's to help it, you know, get a little bit more body and volume if you want to style it that way. The back is 3 inches and the nape is only 1.5, so it'll give you some coverage, but don't be surprised if you end up having to shave your neck a little bit. Just throwing that one out there. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the 360 view of Gala, so that way you can see what she looks like from all sides. I think this wig has a lot of potential. I think this one has a lot of styling potential. Look at all the layering, especially here in the back. And you can get a lot of volume out of Gala. I mean, a lot. Crazy volume, if you really wanted to. So I do think that it has the potential to look very much like the manufacturer photo, which is something I always approve of in a wig. So I'm going to go ahead and take Gala off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So here is the interior of the cap of Gala. As you can see, she's got this very nice kind of felt band here in the front for comfort. It also helps the wig stay in place a little bit better. Then you've got this generous bump of permatease right here at the crown. The whole top is open wefted, so there's going to be permatease all over the top of this wig. And then the back is also open wefted. The ear tabs are also open, and that makes it easy to wear glasses with. And then we've got this nice extended nape with the little bit of felt and the Velcro adjusters. So very nice, lightweight little wig. I'm going to go ahead and give her a little shake and put her back on for you. Now, like most open-capped super short wigs, because this one is very short in the back, it's only giving you about 1.5 inches of leeway. I always recommend getting some synthetic safe hairspray or maybe a little bit of Envy Beauty Balm or something like that to kind of slick it down into place. That way if the wind blows, the wefts never become exposed. I think that that is something that you really only need to worry about with these short wigs because there's not a lot of length to the hair to cover up the tracks. So use a little bit of spray, it'll stay in place all day, and then you don't even have to sweat it. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this has been a review of the Gala wig by Gabor in the color G30 Plus, also known as Paprika Mist. Check out my web store if you get a chance. It's www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.